our stainless steel table. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 72 inches, depth of 18 inches, height of 34.25 inches. Table thickness, we have 2 inches. Measurements for the bottom shelf will include 67.5 inches in length by 10 inches in depth. And thickness for the bottom shelf, we have 1.5 inches. Please note that the bottom shelf can be adjusted to height, and located on the top left corner is the NSF certification. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.